Howdy parents, I'm back with another video on how to add and subtract 3 digits with word problems. Today what I'm going to do is read it, give you some time, and slowly walk through it, giving you the chance to do it before I do to see if you get the same answer. So let's start by reading it. A school had a fall festival with 456 students and 213 adults attending. How many people attended the festival in total? So how I have my kids do it is they need to make a part whole map. The whole is your total, and each part would be what makes up that total. So thinking through this question, we're asking for the total number of people, so I know that this is going to be our question mark, our whole. And it's telling us that we have 456 students and 213 adults. So then, is it going to be addition or subtraction? If it's addition, I'm given both parts and I'm finding the whole. If it's subtraction, I have the whole in one part and I'm trying to find the other part. So this one's going to be, yes, addition. So we're going to put an addition sign. And then what's the rest of the equation? Yep. 456 plus 213 equals blank. I'm going to go ahead and give you a moment to do your base 10 blocks. Remember, when we add, we do go ahead and draw both numbers, both add-ins, with our base 10 blocks before we add them together. As you're drawing, I will go ahead and draw mine, and then you can pause it to make sure yours matches. I should see a gap in between each number or a space so that I can see one number on top and one number on bottom. Then go ahead and add. Start in your ones, add them together, then move to your tens, then move to your hundreds. Well, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 ones. Don't need to regroup. It's less than 10. I see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I see 6 groups of 10. And I see 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So I believe my answer should be 669. Now I'm going to go ahead and check myself using my number line. My biggest number first. And then we add by each place value. I'll give you a minute so you can start working on it before I show you. So starting with the hundreds place, I see I need 200. So I'm going to check it off and I'm going to come down here and write 200. Well, 400 plus 200 leaves me with 656. Then I'm going to go to the tens place. I only need to add 10. Now, the size of your jumps does not matter when you're adding and subtracting. The thing that does matter is that you're writing what you are adding up top, and then the numbers down below. 666, and then 3 ones. So there too, I also got back to 669. I will show you expanded form with it. Write out each of your numbers with its values in expanded form. Stack the numbers on top of each other and then add. I will wait to give you a moment to try to solve that before I solve it with you. We should be getting back to 669 because that's what we've gotten for our hundreds chart with base 10 blocks and our number line. 6 plus 3 gave us 9. Yep. We do our zeros. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 60. Both zeros. And 4 plus 2 is, yep, another 6. Put that back down to standard form, and that's 669. So there you have it. Again, your 3 ways to be able to add 3-digit numbers together.